We are continuing with the Math 125 Gateway Review. We are on problem number 95. Our problem is g of t is equal to sine squared of t squared plus tangent of t. Now, it might behoove us to rewrite this as g of t is equal to the quantity sine of t squared plus tangent of t, and all of this squared. So here we have multiple sets of parentheses. That should be your clue to know that we're going to be doing chain rule. So our inside function, well, to recall first, f of g of x, I want to take the derivative of that. So that's f prime of g of x times g prime of x. So here, what we have is our inside function here, or our outside function actually, is f of t is actually, t squared. And we have an inside function that is g, well, we can't use g, we already have g. We'll call it h of t is equal to sine of t. And we're going to go one step further and we'll call it k of t is equal to t squared plus tangent of t. So, before we can find the derivative of all of these, let's start at the bottom. We have k of t. The derivative of this is going to be 2t plus secant squared of t. The derivative of h, in this case, is cosine of t. And the derivative of f is 2t. Now, let's go back to our original function and let's see how many layers we have here. So what we really have is g of t is equal to f of h of k of t. So, we have to do chain rule multiple times on this. So g prime of t is going to be, from our chain rule, we see that this is f prime of h of k of t times the derivative of h of k of t. Now we have to use chain rule again here. So that's going to be h prime of k of t times k prime of t. Now if we had to, we could continue this process as deep as we needed to. But for us, we get to stop here. So 2 times h of k of t. So h is sine, and kt is t squared plus tangent of t times h prime, which is cosine of kt, which is t squared plus tangent of t, times the derivative of kt, which is 2t plus secant squared of t. And here is our solution. And we do not need to simplify it, we can leave it in that state.